Our role. KEYENCE, a global company who supports manufacturing across the world through factory automation. Established in 1974, we have grown steadily since then, gaining global recognition. Let us introduce what KEYENCE does. Factory automation, our business, is literally to automate the manufacturing process for factories. In an automated factory, our sensors act as the eyes or nerves of robots that are used to support the manufacturing process for products we use in our daily lives. KEYENCE also supports manufacturing for innovative products of the future with our cutting-edge technology. Factory automation. Optimizing the manufacturing process to reach an operational level that is difficult with human hands or eyes using our sensors. High-speed defect checking. High-precision quality checks to see if all small parts are assembled correctly. High-efficiency manufacturing line with automated 24-hour picking process and more. Faster, better, easier. Factory automation is evolving manufacturing, supporting development of the products and advancement of society. KEYENCE does business with over 90% of all industries in the world. We, as a global leader in factory automation, continue to evolve from now on. Now, let's look at some of the solutions we provide. Automobile industry. More than 90% of automobile purchases will be electric vehicles in the next 30 years, which we can call a new era of automobile revolution. From gasoline to electricity, KEYENCE's displacement sensors inspect if the glue is properly applied on a battery pack of an electrical vehicle. It can avoid a defect when sealing. From the engine to the motors, KEYENCE's digital micrometers inspect the runout of the electrical vehicle motor with high speed and precision that is 16,000 times per second. Providing eco-friendly transportation to our society. Medical and pharmaceutical industry. In the last 30 years, the world's average life expectancy has extended by almost 10 years. One factor is the advancement of the medical industry. In the area of regenerative medicine, KEYENCE's fluorescence microscopes have been utilized for cell observations. This allows research to be more efficient. We are also contributing to pharmaceutical production. KEYENCE's vision sensors inspect contaminations in medicine or the container at a high speed of 300 items per second, delivering medical cures and pharmaceuticals to the people who need them as quickly as possible. Smartphone industry. Believe it or not, there are more than 1,000 components in a smartphone. Miniaturization and lean placement of the parts are necessary. KEYENCE's image dimension measurement systems can measure the placement of camera module components in a smartphone precisely and avoid defects of delicate cameras. Also, KEYENCE's displacement sensors inspect if all parts are assembled or placed correctly with high accuracy. To enable a world where we can do anything with one single smartphone. Logistics industry. The demand of online shopping has tripled in the last 5 years. In the logistics industry, where volume is increasing, automation is accelerating. KEYENCE's barcode readers quickly read the information on a package for tracking, traceability, and sorting. KEYENCE's vision systems act as robots' eyes to pick packages from a pallet at high speed. E-commerce is a market that will continue expanding, increasing the speed and accuracy of logistics. Renewable energy industry. Renewable energy has average annual growth of more than 10% for the last 10 years. One example is wind power energy. KEYENCE's 3D measuring machines allow companies to conduct a precise measurement of a large part in an electrical generator easily with one person. This can eliminate defects and increase durability. KEYENCE's displacement sensors measure runout of the outer ring and a bearing used in a wind power generator. It increases electricity generation productivity by decreasing friction when rotating, supporting a sustainable society by accelerating renewable energy. Food and beverage industry. Believe it or not, the amount of beer consumption in a year is over 75,000 times the size of a swimming pool. To deliver glass beer bottles that are safe to consume from, KEYENCE's vision sensors inspect if there are any cracks on beer bottles. KEYENCE's inkjet printers print expiration dates on labels. Protecting the corporate brand image and delivering refreshing moments to everyone. Entertainment industry. The global population of video game players has almost reached 3 billion. The game industry is evolving. KEYENCE's laser markers mark symbols on the buttons of the game controllers. It can 3D mark on curved surfaces very clearly. Virtual reality, not only for games, is also used for business. KEYENCE's microscopes can inspect any scratch on multiple layered films that consist of an LC display. 3D analysis can also be done. The gaming industry will continue to expand from now on. Agriculture industry. The world's population will reach 10 billion by 2050. Industrial agriculture has been gaining attention to increase food production, one of which is a vertical agriculture plant. KEYENCE's programmable logic controllers control light, temperature, humidity, and water, organizing a suitable growing environment for each crop. KEYENCE's flow sensors measure and manage water usage amounts. Crops can grow using only 10% of the water usage compared to the conventional way. This challenges the status quo to produce food with less land, water, and manpower. KEYENCE continues to accelerate manufacturing revolution and advancement. Across many industries, let's create new value with your ideas. Changing the status quo one product at a time. KEYENCE.